Hi, my name is Alex Osterwalder, inventor of the Business Model Canvas and co-founder of Strategizer. I still have great memories of the Nordic Business Forum last year. Of course, this year it's very different with COVID-19. That's why I'm excited to work together with the Nordic Business Forum and Strategizer to launch a virtual masterclass on our latest book called The Invincible Company. At the masterclass, spread over 3 half days, you're going to learn how to build an invincible company. Day one is all about the innovation tools you need to constantly reinvent yourself, because of course, no company can be invincible, but what you can do is constantly reinvent your business and stay ahead of the competition. On day two, we will learn how to compete not just on product, price, and services, but how to compete on superior business models. You will learn how to invent new business models, and you will learn how to shift outmoded business models to new ones. On day three, we will explore together how to build an innovation culture and constantly test your ideas in order to reduce the risk and uncertainty of innovation. So join me at the Virtual Masterclass to build invincible companies. See you there.